Lil Nate Jr., Ellen Jr., my nigga. P-Funk stands, my nigga. Yo, niggas that talk that one thing and go and do another. Dudes they call their friends and go and kill their brothers. It's crazy how these people can't see that shit. It's right in front of them. They still won't believe that shit. Got these undercover rats that act like they really real. Niggas is showing off, believing they know the deal, but when it all comes down to it, the lights come on, the truth comes out. To fake niggas, it's a call out. I'm tired of these niggas running their mouth about the shit that they know nothing about. And in the back of their mind, these niggas snitching so they do no time. Used by no child. I put a stop to all that line. I bang with real dudes, them real niggas that do real shit. Not them faggot ass men that always talk about dicks. Real recognize real, my nigga, don't get it twist. I bang with real dudes, them real chicks that do real shit. Listen, I bang real, y'all niggas bang fake. I can see it all in your face, and if y'all want a case, make that mistake, and I'ma make sure that I break everything. I bang real, y'all niggas bang fake. I can see it all in your face, and if y'all want a case, make that mistake and cross that line, I'ma make sure y'all die. To all y'all fake fucks that don't know, and to all y'all cartoon niggas that's playing the same role, all y'all could get let down on my say so. Whether I'm saying yes or whether if I'm saying no, you could get strung high or low with the crossbow. I'm talking, y'all really need to understand something. Y'all fake niggas can get slammed, homie, grand slammed, homie, and I'm really not playing, homie. Better yet, I'm gonna let you suffer, cause these motherfuckers think it's a game until they get fucked up. Strong men and strong women survive. Real recognize real, only the fake will die. The fake is weak, and only we can make the wise. You can look up in my eyes and see the real is gonna rise. I know what it is, I'ma check you on sight. LNJR, Lil Nate, just right, listen. I bang real, y'all niggas bang fake. I can see it all in your face, and if y'all want a case, make that mistake, and I'ma make sure that I break everything. I bang real, y'all niggas bang fake. I can see it all in your face, and if y'all want a case, make that mistake and cross that line, I'ma make sure y'all die. Listen, there ain't no bigger body boy. The bigger body gon' be the one that turn into a man. I tell you, bring it best when you bring it to your full. I'm better than best when I bring my better to a more. Hands down, I always looked upon myself for help. I called God and held everything else. Y'all fake niggas confirmed to look only to the dirt. Y'all looking for the work, and listen, and it hurts to know y'all motherfuckers exist. I wish to get a call that said y'all been death picked. It's over, y'all been chose for Nate's closure. I hope to never again see fraud open. So far, no encounters on my path. I keep cool, stay to myself, I don't overlap it. Your fake frauds been noticed. Now if I hear something, I'm coming with guns smoking. I bang real, y'all niggas bang fake. I can see it all in your face, and if y'all want a case, make that mistake.